Didn't have to put my feet down. Shit. Fucking red lights, I tell ya. Like damn near everyone I pull up to, the fucker turns red on me. I've been watching these crosswalk signs, and like every time I get close, it's on like 3 or 4 seconds. So I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Moto Amino, Idiot Savant 71. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Go ahead and like and share this shit. Sometimes it's funny. Hope you have a brilliant day.